What's up, my issues? Nell is here, y'all. I know I love this hat. I had to do the video with the hat and showcase my nails a little bit, but this is an unboxing video for It's All Culture, y'all. She makes handmade earrings, y'all. These not hers, y'all. But they better than these. They doper than these. These just a beauty supply. Little couple dollar hollers. You know what I'm saying? These right here. It's all culture. It's all culture. Y'all gonna have to, when I show y'all these, don't say I don't be putting y'all up on nothing. Don't say you don't be putting y'all up on game. I be giving y'all free game. Free dope game. Calm down. Okay. Y'all wanna see the earrings? Okay. Y'all, they dope as hell. They dope as hell. I'm just saying they dope. They dope, y'all. Hold up. Let me. Okay, hold on. Y'all see these? Forget about it. Woo, look at them, baby. Look how gorgeous them is. You feel me? You see it? It's all culture. You see it? You go, girl. You snap, girl. You be snapping with the earrings, girl. Y'all go check them out. Matter of fact, hold up. Hold up. Let's toss these to the side. I don't even need these no more. Get up out my, get up out my ear. Hold up. Stop playing with me. Stop. Hold up. Girl. Stop playing with me. Girl. Come on now. It's all culture. And you see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see what it is. Go check her out. It's All Culture on Facebook, y'all. She got these popping handmade earrings for the culture. Already. Nailish.